Good morning, good day, good afternoon, whenever time you guys are watching the vlog. All right, so welcome for another vlog, guys. To all my new subscribers, I see I have a lot of new subscribers. So those new to the channel, welcome to the family, guys. And you can go ahead and watch some of the older videos, then catch up on what you have missed and to get to know me better. I'm Denise, of course, from Jamaica. Yes, so go ahead and catch up on some of the older video them. Alright, guys, so there I'm gonna do some laundry. The sheet them in the machine, the rings now, so as soon as it stop me I go hang them out. So that a part of the day. I have two more load to do. Just my clothes them I wash today. Alright, so after the sheet them, I go do two load of my clothes. Yep. After I finish that, I have some video for Flame, reaction video for Flame. Then I have one client. It's early, I like after 8 now. So after I finish that, after I'm finished with the client, make a cook, of course. So I will put a clip in here of my client here. Alright, so after I make out the sheet, then what I'm gonna make some tea and eat with my overnight food because I have some ackee and saltfish and corn pork that I cooked yesterday. Yes, with dumpling and banana, but the banana done just dumpling. So I'm gonna eat that for breakfast. Yeah, I'm not gonna make anything. No, the overnight food. Yeah, nothing now waits around here. You're mad. No way. So that make I have. So me catch it in the next clip, guys. Okay. So guys, may make some tea, finishing all the sheet them. I'm also wash my work towel them. So yeah, them letting out. So may boil my tea now. I see some I can drop off a tree. I'm gonna pick them up. Let me say I cook ackee and saltfish and corn pork yesterday. Yeah, that's where I get it from. Off my tree. I'm not back there. Oh, see to this, so I'm gonna beat them ginger and turmeric here. Put in the pot. Turmeric and the gingers. Some of those normally just beat them. So I'm gonna wash them now and put in my pot. So that's how they finish boil up there. How much I can get my slime job. Guys, the out whole heap of ackee up in the tree now. And if I can see them on all the nice bunch there, but I cannot reach it. Watch there. See one next one. Oh yeah, one there. So another big bunch there. Right this again. Look here, so. Right this again. Look up this so. Up this again. Oh gosh. Oh, see some oatmeal where I can reach. Yes, so. Some one oatmeal where I can reach with my hand. Yes, the one the oatmeal right there. So go pick them. Send some ackee go give my sister. So nice little bunch right there. So I'm supposed to can reach it with a stick. Let's see. Oh, I can miss it, guys. Watch it. And that's set a bunch right there. So I set up in the tree so festive and I cannot get the ackee them. Yeah, watch a bunch over there. So Yeah, see there. But too short. Watch out that one there. Boom, another big bunch. There. Right there. I'm not see it. I'm not see it ain't good. This over here so too. Right. But I'm not see it ain't right. It is right there so too. But yeah, one little big bunch up this Look here, watch there, watch over there. So, look here, I'm too short for that tree. God no, this a hurt my heart. Hurt me heart. Me not lie, this a hurt me. Me not lie. More on the ackee them. Me like get ackee from my tree. You know it's very organic. I me know say nobody no force open a ackee. You know, we feel good when me get ackee from a tree. More time I can reach them and pick a lot and me freeze them for when I want ackee. But boy, too short. I mean, I have nobody to pick them. But me go draw for me can draw right now. Guys, me get about a dozen and a half ackee. Yeah, that's all I could manage to pick myself. But the tree just light up like a Christmas tree. Um, yeah, go drink my tea, turmeric and ginger tea, guys. Maybe when Tati come, she go on the house top and use one piece of little stick on my bill and try to off some of it. Hopefully, if she feel like it. But I hope she do it and help me out because I really want the ackee them. But I like the ackee spoil. When I try a beer, I just feel like I forget all of the ackee after it. I feel like none for waste and about one good 7 to 8 dozen ackee up there. So yeah. My second load the rinse now. So yeah, I throw some down in pan it now because rinsing time. So that me I go do. Yeah. So yeah, me I go rinse. So guys, I go and drink my tea. Me not hot up the food yet because me I wait till me hang out the me for hot up the food because I can't bother if you hot it up and start eating and then I forgot stop forgot hang out. So I just go and sip my tea and wait on them yeah. Alright, so come back. Guys, can you all believe say me just remember some me the vlog? May I tell you, I'm tell you, I just get a little distracted because you see through all the rain come down coming. When I hang out the second load of clothes, I'm just so upset and stuff. Look here, so thick and nice, guys. I say I'm not carrying through the process because I don't remember. I believe because it's now, I just remember saying that vlog in the wrong of week and I say, but wait. So, gosh, I'm tell the brain now function. Through the rain, man, the rain go come down and mess up my day. I'm sure. Tell them. And so, as well, almost 7 o'clock now, I just finished cook. Can't let me see my day just get messed up. Almost on a good checking on, but to get messed up. So, just share dinner now and eat. I'm gonna share, me just come back and then end the vlog. Sorry about that. Guys, I'm about to drink my soup. So it's pigtail and soup meat. Because you know what? I don't know what's going on, but listen, I can't get no chicken food. You see, for me, they do the vlog over 3 weeks now. I tell them, some they want chicken food. I can't get none, still can't get none. So, I have to just use pigtail and soup bone. So, that's what I have in the soup. So, I'm gonna eat my dinner now and take a shower and go to bed. So I catch you guys in another vlog. Bye. Tati just run come in and come go party and I run out. She don't want to not see her. So bye.